Hola familia, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an awesome recipe to share with you guys. As you guys know, La Comida Jeremie stands for vegan plant-based living and lots of delicious recipes that feature vegan ingredients. So today I have nothing short of that. I also like to talk about social justice issues. That was like a tongue twister, I don't know why. I just like to share my culture with you guys. So today I'm gonna be sharing a Puerto Rican traditional recipe, and it's a Jibarito sandwich, but inside of that sandwich we're gonna be filling it with Pollo Encebollado. If you've never heard of this, Jibarito sandwiches are amazing plantain sandwiches. So as I mentioned, I love to talk about social justice issues and also bring awareness to different cultures around you so that you guys can step out of your comfort zone and try different cultures. With that being said, I know a lot of people that follow me have never tried Puerto Rican things or want to try them and just are a little bit scared of like cooking different things. So today I have a little bit of a history lesson for you guys on how Jibarito sandwiches came to be. So first things first, Jibarito sandwiches are actually 2 slices of plantain. Inside of that, traditionally it's usually mayo ketchup, a little bit of onion, lettuce, tomato, and some steak. Today we're going to be using a vegan chicken replacement instead of steak because I wanted to try something different. Along with Puerto Ricans having a sandwich made out of 2 plantain slices, fried at that, we've also decided to call it Jibarito sandwiches. Jibaro in Spanish means a country person, specifically in Puerto Rico. So I've heard a lot of arguments on how this sandwich came to be, where it started, and all that good stuff. But basically from my research, I realized that somebody read an article. His name is Juan Peter Figueroa. He is from Chicago and read an article, and somebody in Puerto Rico actually made a sandwich out of 2 plantain slices, and then he made it in Chicago. Humboldt Park is a awesome Puerto Rican neighborhood in Chicago, Illinois, and so this sandwich originated from there in 1996, and here we are making this delicious Jibarito sandwich. So without further ado, class is over. Now it's time for cooking 101, and I'm gonna show y'all how to cook this delicious sandwich because it's one of the Puerto Rican staples that you need to try in your life. So go ahead and get your favorite vegan chicken out, and we're gonna go ahead and season this with all of our seasonings: garlic, tomato sauce, sofrito, vinegar, olive oil, onions, and we're gonna cover this with a little bit of water, just enough to cover it. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this and set this aside while our pan heats up with a little bit of oil. Then you can go ahead and saute this and allow the sauce to thicken, and then it's ready to go. I'm also gonna go ahead and caramelize some onions just to mix that all together, and this just pairs really well in the sandwich. After that, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our plantains to be fried up. You guys have seen this video before, and if you haven't, there's a recipe video already on my channel on how to fry plantains, but this is a very simplified version. So we're gonna go ahead and make 2 sandwich slices, and then once those are fried, we're gonna flatten them, we're gonna fry them again, and then our sandwich is ready to be assembled. So you're gonna add mayo, lettuce, tomato, some of that chicken, onions, and of course mayo ketchup, and your sandwich is ready to be devoured. This you're going to love. Alright mi gente, ahí lo tienen, un Jibarito sandwich relleno de pollo encebollado. I'm not saying I started anything new, pero I've never seen a Jibarito sandwich relleno de pollo encebollado. I've seen it with shredded chicken, I've seen it with steak, I've seen it with pulled pork, but I've never seen it with a vegan encebollado. Like, come on now. If you guys want to try out this recipe, make sure you guys check out the link down below for all of the ingredients, measurements, instructions, and all that good stuff on my blog. And if you guys decide to try this out, make sure you guys post a photo, tag me on Instagram. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And before we go, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, join the familia. As you guys can see, we have lots of fun on here. Nos divertimos siempre, mi amores. So, I don't want you guys to miss out on the fun, so make sure you guys join the fam. Like, what you doing if you're not subscribed? Stop wasting your time, stop wasting my time, stop wasting our family's time. Hit that subscribe button. Enough said. I will see you guys in the next one. Be good in this world. We need more good people. Take care, stay blessed. Nos vemos ahorita. Ciao, mi amores. Well, I really look like I'm in the Caribbean with this little palm tree shirt and my little plants. Que lo que basta. I really need to be at the beach. Sipping on a pina colada.